Hello Leo, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your monthly love prediction for September 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Again, before I start the reading, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Looking at your monthly energies, this reading is divided into 3 parts: below the age of 21, 21 to 28 and 28 and above. So looking at our first pile, below the age of 21, Ace of Swords, you are actually dealing in a relationship with a lot of mind and no heart. You may feel that this relationship is moving too fast, too soon, and you're not able to think or understand what to do about this. On the other hand, the person you are dealing with is probably really really annoyed, giving in all the efforts and not getting anything in return, because you have been very cold in terms of your relationship, and this could lead to a heartbreak, to a disappointment. This could also be due to some trauma, some disappointments that you have seen in love in your family, and that's why I think the advice that we have here is healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Whatever has happened in your life with your family, this is not necessarily going to repeat in your relationship. And if and only if you can stop this from happening, you will have your big happy changes. You will have the changes that you require. If you can give the love that this person wants, you will have the happy changes that you want. For people between the age of 21 to 28, overthinking, too much overthinking, and you don't know what to do about the situation. You might feel that there's nobody to help you. You might feel very confused, very annoyed about a relationship, where it's heading, where it's progressing. But your person is coming to you with a proposal, with a cup of love. They will be accepting, or they will be having you in their life as a permanent role. You may be showering them with a lot of love by the month end. There will be love, there will be abundance, there will be prosperity, there will be everything that you want. If you can take this phase a little more positively, if you can have some more positive thoughts, affirm positive things, and maybe even script positive things in your relationship, you can have something that can help you in this relationship. The answer that we get for you from Angel Answers is perfect timing. This is the perfect timing. If you are to be proposed, this is the perfect timing. And an advice from Romance Angels would be calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. So this will definitely help bring you together, Leo. Please do that, and let's see how it progresses. Okay, Leo, about the age of 28, 7 of Cups. Make sure what you're thinking. Make sure you have a lot of options. Just make sure that you make the right selection. The other person you are dealing with sees you as their entire world. You give them the chills that that an 18-year-old would give to someone of their age. You complete their world, and this is something that you are aware of, but you are just looking into your options. By the end of the month, I see you reconciling with someone, collaborating with someone instead of competing. I see you like a very strong chances of reconciling with someone from your past, as we have peaceful resolution here. And this could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek, Leo. These are some amazing cards, Leo. I feel that you're going to have a very phenomenal September. Whatever you do, just make sure that you carry your heart with yourself. You are anyways a little weak on the heart chakra. Either keep a rose quartz with yourself, or you could keep a bloodstone with yourself, and this will really help you open up and open to the power of love, giving and receiving love. So Leo, if this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below, and until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.